Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making a refreshing cucumber lime infused water and a nice crunchy cucumber onion salad. Detailed ingredients are in the description box and at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save. Now let's begin with cutting our cucumbers. Start by peeling the way that I do, or by all means keep the peel on the cucumber. This is just to make it look nicer at this point and will not really affect the flavor. Then I've cut them into the length of my corer so I can make sure to get all the cores out before slicing them and cutting them into half-circle slices. Do not throw away the cores, collect them all for the drink that we're making. Start on the onions, and we are going to need thin half-circle slices here too. Ideally, you should have more cucumber slices than onions, but at the end of the day, you are the master of your own salad and you call the shots. We'll add in a splash of rice vinegar, and if you don't have that, substitute with apple cider vinegar or boring old white vinegar, that's okay. I'm not gonna judge. And then we're gonna add in a splash of soy sauce, and usually we add in more, but this brand is quite strong and salty, so we didn't add that much. Sprinkle in some sesame seeds and let the salad marinate an hour or two before you eat it, because the soy sauce and the vinegar need time to infuse into the cucumber and pickle the onion. Now, in a big jug of water, about 1 liter, we are going to drop in all of those cucumber cores that we have, then toss in a bunch of mint leaves, make sure to rip them so that more flavor comes out. Then I have my kaffir lime leaves that have no peels, not because I bought them that way, but because I use the peels to make the Thai green curry paste and save the kaffir limes for later. So I find that the kaffir lime tastes great in water because they're not as sour as normal lemons and have a nice sweetness to them too. So I squeezed in the juice of about 4 kaffir limes and that's it. Give the water a mix, then refrigerate, and now you have this delicious water that makes you feel like you're at the spa, and no ingredient went to waste in our house. Even the cucumber peels were put in our compost box. And as usual, if you did like this video, please give us a like because that would make us really happy, and subscribe for more if you're interested, and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!